Now we have fully uploaded the feed. And as you can see, it's much better if you can use the power of e-commerce, Shopify, because it's more fluent. And this feed is not 100% perfect, but still is working well. And basically you can see there has been some warnings, but all in all, it's a good starting point because we go to the home listings and you can see it's okay, so it's really doing well. And what's good is that once it is uploaded, this feed is updated every day. So every day you have the updated catalog in the Facebook Business Manager. And what's also good to know is that you can click. So let's say that you click here and you can see description, you can see the price, of course title if it is available, and also all the pictures. So this is quite great that you can use it. And now it's fully available for you, so you can fully proceed any dynamic retargeting or any catalog sales campaign. And what we are now going to do, let's have a look into settings. So you can see that you can rename it, you can use this currency, and of course you can change the schedule, and you can also proceed the update immediately if you need. And you can even proceed the single upload via file, or as I was showing you, that you have the feed created this way. And you can also delete it if you need. So I think this is a really good starting point, and we have managed to do it even the most difficult way. Of course, with Shopify and WooCommerce, it's just few clicks. And now what we need to do, we go back to the Ads Manager, and we are going to go to the correct account. So that's really important for us to be in Remix Alpha. And now basically what we are going to do, it's always good to double check. Yeah, this is good that the amount has been dropping down, but the rest is growing. So this is very, very easy to double check the account and see how everything is going well, or just take a print screen, send it to the client. So this is very fast way to show the client that you're really doing well, performing well, serving well. And you just go to the Ads Manager, you go to the campaigns, and you create the campaign. And now what we are going to do, so now as we already know, we have this awareness, people need to know about us, we have the consideration, so this we also understand, and now we have the either conversion or catalog sales. So we go for the catalog sales, so we click, and I will just name it real catalog sales real estate push. And basically this is a very important point, because you might have more catalogs. As you can see, I was uploading catalog feed in 2019 and it's doing magnificently. I was also testing one catalog, and now we have created the catalog together. So this is Real Estate 2020 Remix Alpha. And I will just keep this budget optimization active, and I will just start with very reasonable budget of $2 a day. So yes, we are going to pay just $2 a day for a testing for such a big account and for such a big website. Maybe I will go for $4 to be sure it will be well started, but this is really enough. I have been using $4 for dynamic retargeting for this big account, and this is running safely and very efficiently, $4 a day. So we just click to continue. So we continue together. And as you can see, we have the real estate push. And now this is home listing, all home listing. This is okay. This is correct. And now we mainly did that we use the power of the data source, that we use the pixel. So it means that we use mainly the power of pixel. So we just use the Remix Alpha pixel and we save it. But what's important is also to know that you can use like the standard targeting. So you can, for example, go for Prague, we can go for age, we can go for gender, languages, and also for interest, we can go for exclusion. We can also set up, as I was showing you, people that have been like searching, viewing, or like trying to buy or to proceed the checkout, like up to 180 days. And this is good that they viewed, but for e-commerce, it's the most important that you go for trying the checkout. So you finish the business and maybe even like 5 days back or 10 days back. But now, as we have real estate, it's a longer business, and we need all people that did view the content to really get them back. And let's say you have the e-commerce, so what you can do, you can also exclude people that did already purchase. This is possible that you exclude people that have already bought your products. But now we are creating the view content for home listing, and we need to really go deep to all people they have ever like been on our website in the last 180 days, and they did search and view any real estate property. And this is what we are going to do. And we can also use this targeting that we go for like location in Prague, for interest in luxury, and of course for real estate and family. This all we can also do. So you can use the catalog for standard targeting or for retargeting itself, or for this like interest or income of people. But what you can also do is this receiving event. But what's also great, you can go for custom audiences. So I will also add here that I wanna combine, and you can also use it for lookalike audiences or for already engaged audiences, or simply for people that have been watching your videos. So I will also add here to show you different kinds of more options for custom audiences and lookalike audiences. So I can also go for this. But you can really be creative. You can create a campaign with catalog that will go for a targeting for interests. You can go with catalog for lookalike audiences. You can go with catalog for this dynamic retargeting of the pixel. So there are many ways you can just go with catalog to people that have been already watching your videos, or they have been engaging with your Facebook page or Instagram business profile. So I will just edit all here. You can even use a list of your customers. You can use the lookalike audience from the list of your customers. So you can see there are unlimited options to be really creative. So you can see I am showing you that you can use the data source from your Facebook pixel. You can choose the even to be included. Even you can add more inclusions if you need. You can also add the exclusion I was showing you. You can use saved audience or targeting that you really need. But I just wanted to show you, you can also push for like lookalike audiences, and of course engagement retargeting for Facebook, Instagram, website, and you can go for customer list. So the options are unlimited. So you can be really creative. You can use one catalog and you can use it even for 5 different targetings, retargetings. There is no limit for this. And as I was telling you, it's really good to go for automatic placements according to Facebook right now, but you can always edit placements, and you can use just maybe a lot people are recommending just to use the power of Facebook feed, Instagram feed, but I prefer automatic placements. But this you need to test, because sometimes for the e-commerce targeting, it's really doing much better to go just for newsfeed. So this is something for testing for your project to discover and to really see what is doing the best for you. I think we will go for link clicks, but what's really great is especially for e-commerce that you can go for conversion events. So you wanna like really go that it's the most likely people to take action when they see a product from your catalog. So this is something I would recommend for e-commerce. But right now, as we go for link clicks, as I am showing the real estate project, and we just continue, and now is where the magic happens. And this is also a little bit about the testing. Because sometimes when you need to push the traffic back, single image might be really good. That if you have just one picture and you need to really push back, especially for the e-commerce, it might be working better. But my best experience is to have this carousel and to try to push as much as possible. And what I like is, this is of course upon your feelings, upon your testing, intuition, and business feeling. But for real estate, I really like to use this slideshow, because you can see like that it's the pictures are changing. And I think this is much more attractive and much more interesting for people. But this you need to know what pictures you have, if you have enough beautiful pictures, so you need to decide yourself. But often the catalogs for carousel are doing much better. But this is again for a testing, so you can test a single image, you can test a carousel, and you can test it for a slideshow or a single image. Then you can easily just click to the plus. And what I really like is, of course, maybe name. Just need to see, yeah, this is nice. And here I will just add the price, I think. So this is really great that you can see it's automated, it's changing. And this is what I like, the listing name and price. So you always click on the plus button and you choose what you prefer and you follow your business feeling. And I think we need just a very short copy. We present interesting real estate from our offer. More you can find, and just the website link. So I just copy it and I just place it as the top text. And I think it's really nice now. I mean, I think it's really doing well. And so let's have a look. How does it look when we have the Instagram feed? So the business pages are connected, so we can use the Instagram feed, of course, also. So it's great that we can push for Instagram, but like I think it's more like great on the Facebook itself. And it's quite nice, even the right column. But here, I think it's the best, as this newsfeed. So that might be a good option for testing for you. And a lot of people are telling, especially in this case, that the desktop newsfeed placement is doing the best for them. So, and what you need to do is also shop now for e-commerce. But we need either send message for real estate, or I would just say give more information. So this I think is very useful this way. And I think it's a great campaign, and you can understand the power of catalogs. You can really use it for your benefit. And so I'm really, really happy to share this with you. I wish you all the very best good luck. May you reach great success, and thank you for watching this video. Please remember to be really, really the best Facebook ads digital marketing professional. I wish you great, great, great success, and see you in the next videos.